Hi, I'm Virginia Harold, Executive Officer of the California State Board of Pharmacy, which licenses pharmacy technicians. Pharmacy technicians provide assistance to pharmacists in any pharmacy, performing specific tasks related to the processing of prescriptions. Pharmacy technicians work under the supervision of licensed pharmacists. To become licensed, pay close attention to the following instructions. Thank you and good luck.
To become a licensed pharmacy technician, you must have a high school diploma or equivalent, submit proof of training, submit an application along with supporting documents, and pay appropriate fees. In preparation for applying for your California Pharmacy Tech license, make sure you have the necessary proof of education and training. If you're a high school graduate, submit an official transcript or a notarized copy that includes your graduation date. If you graduated from a foreign high school, provide a notarized copy of your diploma or certificate with a certified translation in English. If you passed an equivalency test, include an official transcript of your test results from the GED, HiSET, or TASC-C. If you earned a certificate of equivalency, please include a certificate of proficiency showing you passed the California High School Proficiency Examination. You must also turn in documents showing you've completed the proper pharmacy education or training or passed the certification exam. You only have to provide one of the following. Submit an affidavit of completed coursework or graduation if you earned an associate degree in pharmacy technology or completed coursework with a minimum of 240 hours of required instruction, or if you completed a training course accredited by the American Society of Health System Pharmacists, or if you graduated from a school of pharmacy accredited by the Accreditation Council for Pharmacy Education. Please note that your school will need to complete a portion of this affidavit. If you are certified by the Pharmacy Technician Certification Board, please provide a copy of your certificate. And finally, if you've had military pharmacy training, include a copy of your DD-214 form. Only after you have completed the application requirements, download and print the application on the Board of Pharmacy website at pharmacy.ca.gov. Be sure to print and read all of the instructions. Use the checkoff boxes included with the application instructions to confirm you have not forgotten anything. If you neglect to include a required document, this could cause significant delays in the processing of your application. Include a check or money order made payable to the Board of Pharmacy. Application fees are not refundable. On page 1 of the application, attach a passport-style glossy color photo 2 inches by 2 inches taken within 60 days of mailing the application. Do not send scanned images or black and white photos. Include all supporting documents, live scan service request, fingerprints, and the self-query report. As part of the application materials, you need to submit the self-query report from the National Practitioner Data Bank. The report must be in a sealed envelope and your name must match the full legal name listed on your pharmacy technician application. Please do not open the envelope before submitting it. Official self-query reports can be obtained at npdb.hrsa.gov or by calling 800-767-6732. It must be dated within 60 days of filing your application. Also, fingerprints are required for licensure. If you reside in California, you must have your fingerprints completed by LiveScan. LiveScan information, fees, and locations can be found at https://oag.ca.gov/fingerprints. For applicants outside of California, you must request fingerprint cards from the Board of Pharmacy and have your fingerprints professionally rolled. Non-California residents submitting rolled fingerprint cards need to include a processing fee of $49 made payable to the Board of Pharmacy. In order to avoid common mistakes, do not leave any answers blank. If a question does not apply to you, write an A for not applicable. Complete and include all supporting documents that are identified in the application instructions. One of the most common mistakes in completing the application is not listing your full legal name. Make sure your name on your application and supporting documents match exactly with your name on your government-issued ID. Maiden names, nicknames, and suffixes, like Junior or the Second, should be listed in the previous name section. And finally, make sure you sign and date your application. It can take up to 45 days for the board to process your application. If your check has cleared your bank, the board has received your application. You will be notified by mail if your application is not complete. Please wait 60 days before contacting the board to check on the status of your application. Once your license is issued, you can verify it on the board's website at pharmacy.ca.gov. Select Verify a License and enter your name. Verification from the board's website is proof of licensure. You should receive a hard copy of your license in the mail in about 4 to 6 weeks after your license is issued. Should you have any questions about becoming a pharmacy technician, please visit our website at pharmacy.ca.gov and click the Applicant tab, or call 916-574-7900.